This beautifully designed Japanese tiny home takes compact living to a whole new level with its thoughtful split-level concept and intelligent use of space. Every element of the design reflects a deep appreciation for balance, function, and simplicity. Hallmarks of traditional Japanese aesthetic merge seamlessly with modern innovation. The home's split-level layout creates natural zone for living, sleeping, and storage, enhancing spatial flow without increasing the footprint. Subtle change in elevation help define the purpose of each area while maintaining an open and airy feel. The result is a space that feels larger than it is, both visually and functionally. One of the standout features is the smart and creative cabinet system that runs along the walls. These cabinets are designed with clean lines and natural wood finish, offering both open and hidden storage to reduce clutter and enhance minimalism. From floor level drawers to ceiling height shelving, every inch is optimized. Integrated into the system is a folding bed, masterfully built into the wall cabinet by day. The bed is virtually invisible, tucked behind a smooth panel that blends in with the cabinetry. By night, it folds down effortlessly to create a cozy sleeping nook, supported by built-in lighting and shelving that serve as a nighttime retreat. This clever combination of modular storage, flexible furniture, and elevation-based zoning brings new life to the concept of tiny living. It allows for a multifunctional lifestyle where work, rest, and relaxation exist in harmony within a limited space. Blending traditional and innovation, this Japanese-style tiny home with a split-level design is a true example of how smart architecture and thoughtful craftsmanship can transform small space into elegant, efficient, and sanctuaries.